To get instant buying power on Webull, you need to understand what instant buying power is and how it works. Instant buying power allows you to buy stocks and other securities immediately, without having to wait for the funds to settle. First, you need to have a Webull account. And to get instant buying power, you need to have a pattern day trader status or have at least $25,000 in your account. If you have less than $25,000, you will not be able to get instant buying power. To enable instant buying power, go to the Webull app, tap on the account icon, and then tap on Account Settings. Scroll down to the Trading Settings section and toggle on the Instant Buying Power option. It is essential to note that instant buying power is subject to certain rules and regulations, including the pattern day trader rule. This rule states that if you make 4 or more day trades within a 5 trading day period, you will be considered a pattern day trader and will be required to have at least $25,000 in your account. To avoid any issues, make sure you understand the rules and regulations surrounding instant buying power. It is also crucial to have a solid understanding of trading and investing before using instant buying power. In addition, it is recommended to use instant buying power responsibly and within your means. This means only buying stocks and other securities that you can afford and avoiding over-leveraging your account. By following these steps and guidelines, you can get instant buying power on Webull and start trading immediately. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Instant buying power can be a powerful tool for traders and investors, but it requires discipline and responsibility. By understanding how it works and using it wisely, you can maximize your trading potential and achieve your financial goals.